Hi everyone, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home. In previous video, transformation of sentence, few topics we have already covered and completed. That affirmative to negative, affirmative to interrogative, affirmative to exclamatory and vice versa changes. That means very easily and very shortly we'll discuss about that all the topics which we have already completed. That affirmative to negative, while transforming the sentence we are using the 7 types of n. With that n words we are using the opposite adjective: no, not, never, nothing, none, neither, none, nor. These are the 7 words. Then affirmative to interrogative. Affirmative to interrogative, that means first of all we need to check whether any helping verb is there or not. If helping verb is there, we'll start the sentence with same helping verb. And whenever we'll not have any kind of helping verb, at that moment we are using that do, does or did. For present tense, we are using do, does, and for past tense, we are using did. One more, that affirmative to exclamatory. Affirmative to exclamatory, we are using, that means for making exclamation mark sentence, we are using that two different words like what and how. What, whenever we have article like a or an, at that moment we are using what, and whenever we'll have, that means there is no article, at that moment we are using how. One more rule is there, that whenever in our sentence I wish is there, that means whenever your sentence starts with I wish, at that moment while changing from affirmative to exclamatory, we are using that O that in place of IV. O, only O. O-T-H-A-T. O that. Our sentence starts with O that. Very simple example I'll give, that I wish I could fly in the sky. That exclamation mark sentence, O that I could fly. There is no need to write that etc. word like in the sky. So like that we have completed 3 topics: affirmative to negative, interrogative and exclamative. One more topic we have already completed, that question type. It is asking for, using for asking confirmation or permission. And the same, that means we are using that helping verb. If there is no helping verb, we are using do, does and did. And if the sentence is positive, then question type will be negative, and negative sentence is there, so question type will be positive. Like that is there. Now we'll move ahead in the same topic, transformation of sentence, with the another new topic, that no sooner than. No sooner than, THAN. And one more topic which is related this topic only, that hardly when. No sooner than and hardly when. Before moving with that topic and with the use of that example, first of all we need to, that means learn, or we need to check that what kind of sentence we are having. That means whenever we are using no sooner than and hardly, at that moment how we are going to transform the sentence from that main sentence to that no sooner, using no sooner and hardly when. So for that we are having a special sentence formation. Sentence formation is there, that first whenever we are using that no sooner, so at that moment we are, that means our sentence starts with no sooner only. After that we'll have, that means after that we need to check whether we'll have any helping verb or not. If we are not having helping verb, in place of helping verb we are using do, does and did. That means just after that, no sooner we are using do, does or did. Do, does we are using in present tense, and did we are using in past tense. After that, after do, does and did, we'll have the subject which is already given in your sentence. That means subject. After that, V1 form. It is compulsory to put V1 form if you are using do, does or did. कि जब आप do, does और did यूज करते हो तो यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट के बाद आपको V1 फॉर्म ही यूज करना है. आफ्टर दैट योर then word, and then your second sentence. That's why I have put that some dots over here. That means your sentence starts with no sooner, then do, does and did, then your subject, then V1 form, and then we are using THA and then and your second sentence. That means it is compulsory to write the second sentence as it is, which is given in your question. Now the another topic is there, hardly. So again, like no sooner, we are having that hardly. So our sentence starts with hardly. After hardly, like we are using the do, does and did. Here in place of do, does and did, we are using had. But if any helping verb is given, like was verb, most probably was were ही होंगे. At that moment, here in place of do, does and did, we are using the was or were. Here also we will write the same thing. Like in place of had, we are using was or were, which is already given in your sentence. Like that. So first of all, we need to check whether any helping verb is there or not. If there is no helping verb at that moment, we are using had, and in no sooner we are using do, does and did. After that, subject. Now here minor change is there. Here we are using only V1 form, but whenever we are using with, that means hardly, whenever we write the sentence with the use of hardly, at that moment we are using V3. Why? Because here we have written had, and had denotes the past perfect tense. That means in perfect tense we are using only and only V3 form. So after V3 form, that means subject V3 form, and as here we have used that then, here we write when, and then same our second sentence. Once again I am repeating the sentence formation, that no sooner. While using the no sooner, first of all our sentence starts with no sooner. So no sooner, then do, does and did. If present tense is there, so we are using do or does. If past tense is there, we are using did. After that, we are having the subject and then V1 form and THA and then and the second sentence, which is already given in your question. We need to repeat the same sentence. That means, okay, सेकंड सेंटेंस हमारा सेम रहेगा. नाउ द क्वेश्चन विल अराइज कि हमें देन कब लिखना है. इन योर क्वेश्चन आइदर देयर इज एनी कंजंक्शन लाइक एंड बट और एनी WH वर्ड और एल्स wherever you are having the comma, in place of that comma will write then word. कि जहां पे आपको क्वेश्चन में कॉमा दिया है वहां पे आपको then यूज करना है. And then second sentence. Same here, hardly, then in place of do, does, did, here we are writing had, then subject, then V3 form, because the past perfect tense is there. So V3 form, when, and second sentence. I hope you understood that sentence formation. Now we'll move ahead that with different examples. Pause. Yes, now we'll see according to example. Only simple example we'll take. That first, as soon as it arrived, he would go and celebrate. Once again I am repeating that question, that as soon as it arrived, he would go and celebrate. Now we'll use no sooner according to that formation which is already given. So no sooner, then we need to check whether the sentence is present tense or past tense. Here we are having that ed form, that means past tense. So in past tense we are using did. So no sooner did. Now our subject. So here subject it. No sooner did it. Now V1 form. Here arrived is there. We will write only arrived. No sooner did it arrive. Then THA and then now our second sentence. He would go and celebrate. Once again I am repeating that no sooner did it arrived, then he would go and celebrate. That means जब हम लोग नो सूनर और हार्डली का यूज करते हैं, एट दैट मोमेंट अगर सेंटेंस में व्हेन दिया है, एज दिया है, एज सून एज दिया है, एट दैट मोमेंट वी आर रिमूविंग दैट वर्ड. नाउ we'll use that hardly. So hardly, then here had, because here we are not having any kind of helping verb. So hardly had. Now our subject it. Now with three form, which is already get arrived. Then in place of then we'll write when. He would go and celebrate. So actually both the topics are having the same sentence formation, only the minor change is there. Here we are having that do as what did, here we are having had. Here we'll write V1 form, here we'll write V3 form. Here we'll write THA and then here we'll write when. Rest the things we are having the same. So I hope you understood whatever I explained about this topic, no sooner than and hardly when. Definitely if you are having any doubt regarding this topic, whenever we'll have online session, at that moment we'll solve your doubts. Thank you and have a nice day.